Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my seafood boils in a bag, or I guess you could say seafood bake, whichever. So here I have my crab legs in my bags, so I'm just opening them up and I'm going to add all the rest of my seafood. So right here I'm adding my shrimp. So I have the jumbo size shrimp that I got from Kroger, and I didn't realize that some of it was still a little bit frozen, so that's why I was going back and forth to kind of thaw it out in the sink by just running some warm water on it. So I'm just adding my shrimp in the bag. And this was kind of a process because, like I said, some of the shrimp was still a little bit frozen. And here I'm just adding my mussels. So these mussels are frozen and you cook them frozen. You do not thaw them out. So they're still frozen, and I just put them in the bags with my crab legs and my shrimps. So that is what you're going to see me doing right here. And they are super frozen and cold, y'all. So every time I do this, I feel like my hands get frostbite. I hate doing this part. Adding my mussels, still adding my mussels. So now here I'm adding my butter. You guys, I love butter. Like, if you love seafood, I feel like you love a lot of butter with your seafood. Like, who doesn't? So I OD with the butter. I have to put like a whole stick in my bag. I love me some butter. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm adding my butter, and I usually get the Publix butter, the sweet creamy butter. It is so good, y'all. And now I'm adding my minced garlic. You guys, what is a seafood boil without minced garlic, seafood bake, whatever, however you want to make your seafood, you need minced garlic, baby. I got my minced garlic. I'm adding it. I usually like to use even more than this, but I was low on minced garlic. Now I'm adding my Old Bay. You have to have Old Bay for your seafood, period. There's no way around it. I'm adding my Old Bay, and I'm adding a lot of Old Bay. I love Old Bay. So I'm going to add a lot of Old Bay to both of my bags. And you guys, one bag is bigger because one bag is for 2 people and the other bag is for just 1 person. So don't think that it's just one person eating that big bag over there. And so here I have my black pepper. And usually I would use lemon pepper, but I didn't have any lemon pepper. So I'm just using my regular black pepper, which is just as good. Just adding that in there. And I love the pepper grinder. I just feel like the pepper tastes more fresh. I don't know. It just made me feel bougie when I'm using the pepper grinder. Alright, and so now I'm going to use my Creole seasoning. I absolutely love Creole seasoning. It's so good. So I added that to both bags, and I like to put a lot of that also. And this brand specifically, I love. And then we have our adobo. I just add a little bit of that because I'm being extra, but you don't have to. And now the garlic powder. You can't forget the garlic powder. The garlic powder is one of the most important ingredients. I add a lot because I love garlic personally. And with a seafood without garlic, so OD on the garlic. Go off, sis. And then the red cayenne pepper. I love my seafood to be a little bit spicy, so this is definitely optional if you're not into spice, but I love to add red cayenne pepper to my seafood, or to anything I cook, period. And then just a little bit of Jamaican curry powder. This is definitely optional as well. I just feel like it thickens up the butter sauce, so I like to add this. Now I'm turning off my corn, which I have boiling on the side, and I'm adding it to my bags Clearly, one person doesn't like corn and the other two people love corn. So that is why there is corn in one bag and not the other. So I'm just tying them up. And I'm going to shake them up just to make sure you get all them seasonings in there. And that is pretty much it, y'all. I'm going to put these in the oven for about 20 minutes on about 375. And I am done. Thanks for watching.